Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Miss Kelly here, and I'm bringing to you guys an addition game. If you caught my last video using the subtraction game, it's the same concept that we're going to use. We're going to use a pair of dice. I have a whiteboard right here. You guys can use a pencil or markers on paper, or if you have a whiteboard at home with your markers, you can absolutely use that as well. To me, it makes it just a little bit more fun because we can erase very quickly and move on to the next one. And then I also have my pom-poms here that I'm going to use as my objects, okay guys? So this is a follow-up video to the subtraction video, the subtraction game that I played with you guys last week. This week we're going to do it with addition. All right, my friends, so it's going to be the same rules. We're going to roll our pair of dice. We're going to see what numbers come out. We're going to write our addition sentence on the board, and then we're going to use our objects to add them together. If you guys don't have pom-poms at home, you can definitely use objects like jelly beans, pennies, any type of coins that you may have, pieces of Legos, any objects that you have in a big group, okay guys? Because remember, we are going to be adding things together. So I'm actually gonna grab a couple more pom-poms because I know that this adding is going to be, it's gonna need a little bit more. And I'm just gonna add that right here. And let's get started. So I'm gonna take my dice and I'm gonna roll them. And when I drop them onto the table, I pick out the two numbers that the dice come out with. I have the number 3 and I have the number 5. How do we make an addition sentence out of those two? Well, let's first start with our first addend, which would be the number 3. I'm gonna write the number 3 on the board. You guys are gonna see it right here. Addition, we know that we have to use our plus sign right in the middle. So it's going to be 3 plus 5. Okay, guys, this is our time where we grab our objects. So I'm going to grab 3 pom-poms, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to add 5 more pom-poms, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, my friends, they match. The two numbers match up together. Let's add them all together. If I have 3 plus 5, we have to count them all together to get our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Very good job, my friends. All right, it's time to roll the dice one more time. Let's say goodbye to this addition sentence. See you later, 3 plus 5. We'll catch you on the flip side. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna roll our next one. Roll, 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 let them drop. Whoop. And it looks like I have the numbers 4 and the number 5 again. So I'm gonna write my addition sentence right down here one more time. 4. Don't forget your plus sign. 4 plus 5 and your equal sign, because after your equal sign is what gives us our answer. Okay, my friends? So 4 plus 5. Let me grab 4 pom-poms. I'm gonna grab these big 4 right here. And then 5 more. So counting out, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, guys, 4 plus 5, we need to count them all together one more time to get your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, count on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 is going to equal 9. And there we have that addition sentence. Good job, guys. Let's try one more. Let's swipe these on out, say goodbye to that addition sentence. See you later, 4 plus 5. And let's roll the dice one more time to see what we're gonna get. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. Make them a really good roll and drop. Alrighty, I've got the number 2 and I've got the number 3. Let's start out by writing your addition sentence. We have the number 2. 2 counters are on that die. 2 plus, don't forget your plus sign because we are adding today. 2 plus 3. Don't forget your equal sign. That's going to tell us our answer. All right, it's time to get our objects on the board. I'm going to choose some nice bright colors. I have my 2 big pom-poms right here, and I'm actually going to pick another big pom-poms. 3 more pom-poms. So I have 2 pom-poms right here and 3 pom-poms right next to it. We're going to add them all together to see how much we have. Let's count from the beginning, and we're going to count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good job, my friends. I'm going to move these over. I'm going to go ahead and write my number 5, and that is going to be your final addition sentence. Very good job, my friends. Remember that you can use objects at home, anything that you have big groups of. In the classroom, I had big groups of the pom-poms, so I was able to use the pom-poms as my objects, but you can definitely use household items, any coins or beans or jelly beans, candy that you may find, anything that you have the same of in a large amount. Also, too, guys, the dice. You can use playing cards and pick out cards from your dice and use the numbers that are on the cards. Or you can use your dice and roll them the way that I did as well. You can also maybe close your eyes and pick out a couple of objects, see how many you have, write your addition sentence. Guys, it's all about using the things that we have at home, all about using groups of objects to add them together and create addition sentences. Keep practicing, guys. You're doing a great job so far. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.